Well, hello everybody and welcome back, and today we're going to bring you Beast Kingdom's Mastercraft Alien MC-019 Disney Pixar's Toy Story. This particular figurine is 27 centimeters high by 27 centimeters deep by 27 centimeters wide. Hand painted and highly detailed with a weathered looking base here, and as you can see it is a amusement ride. The old amusement ride, you put a couple quarters in and get the thing going. I love it. I mean, it's not the most complex of figurines, but that's what draws me to these figurines, because they're just imitations of cartoons. And I like that. There he is, the alien. Quarter in and get the quarter return. Got number 179. I'm not sure how many they made because I can't find that information. So I'm gonna just assume there was 3,000 like a lot of the others. We got number 179, and this is a hard one to find, ladies and gentlemen. It is. You're gonna pay a premium price for this one. Nowadays, it has really went up in value. So enjoy it, ladies and gentlemen. Alien MC-019. Hug someone you love. Peace.